1, 2, 3 of model deployment with Wallaroo. That's because with Wallaroo and 3 lines of code, I'm able to get my model deployed to the cloud and into production. In the first line of code, we upload our model. We provided our model's name, file path, and framework. In this instance, our model happens to be of type Onyx, but Wallaroo also supports your favorite ML framework. Once our model is uploaded, we can move on to our second line of code. In the second line of code, we configure our deployment hardware. Wallaroo being installed on Kubernetes, this abstraction makes Kubernetes fun and easy to use. Along with the amount of memory we wish to specify, we're able to specify how many CPUs and GPUs we wish to allocate to our deployment. With the help of replica count, we can also specify how many concurrencies we wish our deployment to have. Another advantage to this level of abstraction is how easy it is to experiment with different configurations. Considering that we wish to get our models to the edge, Wallaroo's deployment configuration helps simplify the simulation of our edge deployment environment before we get our deployments there. Once we're finished with our configurations, we can move on to the third line of code. Our third line of code is where we're able to use our uploaded model and configurations to deploy our pipeline. Deploying our pipeline takes about 45 seconds, and once we're deployed, we're now able to test our pipeline.